Hello, my name is Nina, and I want to tell you my story, a story full of surprises and adventures. It all began with one mystery. When I was in the library, an old book floated up. Then suddenly, light exploded, filling the library with blinding lights. What secrets could be hidden inside? The book opened on its own, its pages whispering secrets from another world. I found myself in another place which I have never seen before, and the bird appeared, was talking to me. Hello, Nina. My name is Bulbul. Are you ready for the adventure? I will be your guide through the journey for learning Arabic. This journey will be full of adventures you will never forget. But before we start, you need to learn Arabic greetings. Are you ready? Yes, I am ready. Let's start. صباح الخير. Good morning. صباح الخير. مرحبا. Hello. مرحبا. مساء الخير. Good evening. مساء الخير. ليلة سعيدة. Good night. ليلة سعيدة. Your journey to mastering Arabic starts here. Step into the story and learn Arabic the fun way. Like and subscribe to join Nina and Bulbul on this magical adventure. Turn on the bell so you don't miss what's next. Let the language come to life, one story at a time.